Welcome to the channel of RT Technical Learning. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the career guidance, and there are many comments that are coming on the channel with respect to the career guidance. So let me share the screen. So on the Sunday, we are having the live sessions. So during the live session, we connected with many folks, and there were a few of the queries that we were not able to answer. So let me take one of the query from that. So the question is, after UPSC preparation phase, now I have finally switched to IT sector to kickstart my career and freeze the gap. So whenever you are going for government examinations, you're going for UPSC examinations, you'll be having some kind of gaps if you're not able to clear those exams, right? I choose manual testing to start with, as it was something I could ace in a month. Now I have cracked the job as well, that I'll be joining from April, right? So someone who has a career gap, there are chances that you get a job. So that is why I'm telling you to learn software testing. It's very important. You should focus on learning software testing, both functional as well as automation. Sir, my question is, if I don't want to go ahead with the coding domain in this sector, can I switch from QA to Scrum Master or product analyst roles instead of getting into automation? Also, which role is better to go as per the demand, Scrum Master or product analyst? Okay, so let us look into this particular query in detail. Let me open. So it's a very good thing that someone with a career gap has got a job. So first of all, the name is not displayed clearly, but congratulations to the person who has posted this post in the community. And I'm happy to know that they have got a job. So wish you all the best for your career ahead as well, right? And congratulations. Fine. Now the question is, if I don't want to go ahead with the coding domain. Now see, if you don't want to go ahead with the coding domain, there are two kinds of options that you can get here. So first is option A, in which you can learn coding, right? And you can go with Selenium, Java, Python. This is the normal option that you will have. Another is option B, in which you can learn non-coding tools, right? Which are non-coding tools. So you can learn about robotic process automation tools, such as Automation Anywhere is there, Blue Prism is there, UiPath is there. So these are few of the tools in which coding is not required, but you need to have a good logical understanding. You need to have a good kind of understanding. Like in this particular scenario, you'll go for loop. In this particular scenario, you'll go for do while loop, those kind of stuff. So you can go for non-coding tools. At the end, I will also suggest, if you want to continue in testing, you can go for non-coding. In that also, you have got a few of the tools. For example, Catalan Studio is there, right? Renorex is there. So these are the tools again, which are non-coding tools, but these are licensed based tools. When I say license based tools, it means the companies or clients, they need to do some kind of an investment in order to purchase X number of licenses for this tool. And it's a very high amount. So that is why most of the people, most of the companies are preferring option A, since it is open source free tool from the testing perspective. Okay, but these are the two other options that you can focus on. Now, with respect to your question, can I switch from QA to Scrum Master or product analyst roles instead of getting into automation? If you switch to Scrum Master role, so in order to switch to Scrum Master role, you will have to do a CSM based certification, right? This certification would cost you somewhere around 20 to 25K, and you can do this certification, but after 2 years, you have to get it renewed. Right? That means after 2 years, you again have to give the examination of the CSM of this certificate, and your licenses, your certificate would get renewed. Your credentials of the certificate would get renewed. So that's very important. You can go for product analyst roles as well. For that, you will have to do PMP based certification, which will cost you somewhere around 75K. And it's a one-time cost. It's a one-time lifetime cost. You have to give that exam once. So these are the two certifications that you will have to do in order to switch from QA to Scrum Master or product analyst role. One more thing, if you want to switch to these kind of roles, which are non-technical roles, so I would suggest you go for product analyst or project management kind of roles, because in Scrum Master role, the salary is limited. It is somewhere around 15 LPA to 20 LPA at the max. after having a lot of years of experience also, that is the salary. Because the growth is not there in that Scrum Master kind of a role. Okay. But in project management and product analyst roles, you will be analyzing the product, you will be writing the requirements, you will be driving the projects. So that are very key roles. So in that roles, you would get a lot of opportunities to grow from the knowledge perspective as well as from the financial perspective. So what I would suggest is you should go ahead with the for the product analyst roles, and that too, you would be getting the opportunity after 3 to 5 years of work experience you have in the IT industry. Then you can apply for these kind of roles. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any such queries related to your career, you can post in the comment section, and you can send us an email as well, and we would take your query for the career guidance series. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe our channel, because these all kind of information, this all content is shared absolutely free of cost with you. We are not charging anything. So request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.